Hey everybody, welcome into Rock Painting 101, where we give you fun, new rock painting ideas that anybody can create. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get painting.
So every year I paint over 100 rocks for the trick-or-treaters in our neighborhoods. They love them, but I'm always trying to find quick and easy rocks that I can do in batches, and this is one that I came up with for this year. So we've got these little peekaboo eyes we're doing. I used my extra fine tip paint pen to do some white eyes. Those are going to need a second coat, so just go ahead and do them first. Now I'm also creating separation lines, and you want to create almost like an eyeball shape around your eyeballs. Okay, so we're filling in with a paint pen here. This is a medium tip paint pen, Posca brand. If you have acrylic paints and a brush, that works just fine for this as well. Just fill in all three sections and create kind of a top edge and a bottom edge in your sides. We're going to line all that later. I like to use green, purple, and orange on my Halloween designs. It's just a fun Halloween color combination, and they cover really well. The only one of these that I decide to do a second coat, let the first coat dry, is the eyeballs. And as you can see, I'm kind of using the side of my pen, saving that tip, and then also the orange needed a second coat. So we're going to do that, let it dry again. Now we're going to go ahead and give an outline to the whole design. Sometimes on round rocks, I just like to give a crisp outline. And here again, I'm using the side of my paint pen because it doesn't have to be a super sharp line, and I want to preserve that tip. Then we're going to go around our eyeballs. I like to do one kind of on top of the other. I'm adding pupils. Sorry, I'm in the way, but that's pretty self-explanatory. And then filling in the rest of the gaps with the black. I did go over the line as well, crisp everything up while I'm going along. So we did the bottom eyes around those. We'll do the same thing up on top. We're going to kind of come back in here and fill in all of the dark space black. Once you get both of the areas filled in, you can kind of look at your eyeballs. You can do little touch-ups at this point if you need to kind of round them out a little bit, but they're monster eyes, so they can be a little round. You could do them yellow too if you want to go for a creepy look. I added an X and some hashes along the separation lines, and then we're going to come and add these curves on the top and the bottom. It kind of creates almost like this peekaboo effect. Really easy to do. Try to go as close to that black line like evenly as you can. If you don't, you can always come and bring the black a little closer to your line like I'm doing here. I thickened up my X as well, and that's it. This was such a quick little tutorial. We've got a bunch of Halloween rock painting designs here you can check out, or more 3-minute rock painting designs that you can check out. I hope you like this one. Don't forget to subscribe.